G before that shit just flow. Baby, can you feel me? I've been thinking from the bottom of my heart. I don't know what else to do, baby. I'm trying to make it fall. I put everything into it, baby. Don't leave me scarred. I got caught up in a life, but they don't know I'm a star. I made a couple 20 G's up in the street, but I'm changed. Cause it's a lot of shit that they don't understand. Game. Where I'm from is like a diner. They gotta stop all that playing cause it's daughter. I see my niggas die for a couple of hundreds. And I ain't talking about the little shit, some money. And I done turn my life around cause I don't wanna get snagged. My brothers taught me to eat all let my stomach ground. I feel my feelings on the E when I'm in the crowd. Everything fake, that's what the real really gon' need it now. And if they see it, best believe it, they'll bleed you out. It's not what you need, and RIP, yeah, you creeping wild. It ain't no hard feelings, cause I feel like just to keep around. That's the easiest thing to do in the world, that's why you don't see it now. That shit wasn't real from the start.
It's been a cold year, that's why I don't wanna freeze.